How to order euros from PNC Bank. To order euros from PNC Bank, you typically have to follow certain procedures. PNC Bank offers foreign currency exchange services, including the purchase of euros. So call PNC Bank's customer service to inquire about ordering euros. You can find the customer service number on the PNC Bank's website or on the account statements. When you contact PNC Bank, provide them some information like the amount of euros you wish to order, your confirmation, account details, etc. PNC Bank may require you to verify your identification. This is a standard procedure to ensure security and compliance with banking account. Then just place the order. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.